SLCs, why did I get on this?
Whoa! It just jerked me forward! This one like just thrusted you forward when it was going through that sidewinder.
Yeah, I know.
What's up with that?
I don't know. I'm glad they got the vest style restraints on now.
Yeah.
Rather than the old ones. I hated the old ones.
Devil's advocate, I actually want to try the old ones again. I haven't done like the old Vekoma trains since I think Mind Eraser at SFA, and then they got the new ones. And now every SLC I go on, it has the new trains.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a blessing.